Unbiased Trades here, and today we're going to be going over the redesign of my website. Um, we have picked up a lot more clients recently, and I thought a redesign of the website was worth it. So my girlfriend has helped me implement some animations, just a better CSS theme overall, and I think it looks pretty good, and we'll just take you over the overview of it. So valued partnership is my main kind of slogan for Unbiased Trading. I want to create a friendship with the client and to be very open about progress and support and anything they would like to be changed or custom tailored for them. It is hard to talk about specifics when it is on a project per project basis, but overall, whatever project you come to me with, whether that be about Discord management, trading, just general coding, or something else entirely, we will always talk about what kind of deadline you'd want. So, it doesn't need to be done in a couple of days or a week. We'll give you constant support, so every day or two, depending on the project, about the progress, what has happened, has there been any errors or bugs we're trying to fix, just so it's a very transparent experience when working with me. We'll also ask you questions on, what kind of particular things in this project you would really want to be done. What are some other ideas? We could maybe brainstorm some ideas. So when it comes to backtesting, we talk about your strategy and think, okay, let's brainstorm. Maybe you want to include this kind of data point as well that you haven't thought about. And I'll always try and get new ideas out of you so that we can make the project as best it can be for you. And then custom orders is another big one for me. I really want to tailor towards your experience, and anything you want custom, I can try and create for you. Next, you'll see my services, nice little JavaScript animation. You can click more details on all of these, and you can see just some general information about these and how I've worked on them, and what I'm able to do and my experience in them. And then if you are interested, you're able to click contact info, and this will take you to my Discord, Twitter, and email. I definitely prefer email and Discord over Twitter, as Twitter can get cluttered, but overall, whatever's easiest for you, I'll be fine to contact you in a timely manner. Then you can see my projects. So these are just 6 main projects. None of these are client projects. These are mainly projects I've done for myself. Client projects won't be shown on the website unless they have stated they are fine sharing a screenshot or something. We can see gap stats, fundamentals, backtesting, historical charts, automated strategies, and custom indicators. These are all just general photos. So the automated strategy one is just a trading view strategy I created, and custom indicator was a volume kind of forecast method alert system, and then the rest are pretty self-explanatory. If you want to see more projects, you can click view more projects, and it'll take you to the projects page. And you can also split it into different sections. More sections will come as I add more stuff. At the moment, it's trading bots. So these are kind of Discord bots that are related to trading, such as a halt alert, fundamentals about a stock using FinViz data, and gap stats. Then automated strategies is the one I went over previously. And then once you go to all projects, you can see them all here and click full image if you want to see the full image. The only one currently is blurred for backtesting, as I'm not going to show you data for free, as there are legal issues with that. So this is all blurred. And yeah, so we'll go back to the home page, and then you'll be able to scroll down, and near the bottom you'll see client reviews. I've been honored to work with Justin Flynn and Brian Lee on 2 different kind of projects. I've worked with Justin many times, including his podcast and his Discord server, which I definitely recommend to join. He creates an amazing experience for new and experienced traders in his room. Then we can see little quotes from these reviewers. So we can see one from Decro, which I helped with historical gap as code / backtesting. You'll also be able to see a screenshot. So for proof, you can load it up here. So I'm not pulling these out of nowhere. At the moment, we just have 3. So we have Justin Flynn, Decro, and Brian Lee. I've been amazingly honored to work with all of them. I do have more planning to be added to the website, but currently these are just the ones here. Then you'll have contact information and a terms of service page where you can just see terms of service for Unbiased Trading. And that is pretty much it. Overall, it just looks a lot cleaner, a lot simpler on the eyes, a lot more detailed information, but in a cleaner environment on the website compared to the old one. And yeah, if you are interested in any custom projects, be sure to reach out to me using my contact info, and I'll be happy to help.